Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI, and I am here to introduce you to something you didn't know you needed on your grocery list. This right here is passion fruit honey puree, and it is so good. My mother-in-law introduced me to this, and we as a family have become addicted. In fact, we're gonna have to order some more. This is a thick puree made from passion fruit. There's seeds in it. The seeds are like little candies. It's so good. Like, it gives your beverage a little crunch. It's delicious. So you can use this several different ways. You can use this just as a base if you want to make some passion fruit juice. It is a little tart, so we always add a little sweetener. Our favorite way to use it is to add it to brewed tea, whether it be hot tea or iced tea. It adds that little bit of extra kick, the little bit of tart with the sweet tea. It is so good. You guys are gonna love this. A little bit goes a long way. It's gonna last you for a long time. You can do salad dressings. You can use it as topping on ice cream. So many possibilities. It is delicious. You won't regret it. And that's my point of view.